Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is the part 1 of getting started with the ALTERA DE2-115 Kit. In this video, you will learn creating a new project in Quartus Prime Lite, creating an AND gate code file in Verilog, compiling the code, simulating the AND gate logic in Questa simulation, setting up the DE2-551 with Quartus Prime Lite, and configuring DE2-115 with our AND gate logic. Moving towards the part 1, creating a new project in Quartus Prime Lite. First of all, if you have installed the Quartus Prime Lite that has been explained in the previous videos, you just open up the software by just clicking on the icon. The first step is you'll see in the home page tab right here, new project wizard. Click on it. This window will appear. Click next and select the directory on which you will be creating your project. Select it anywhere you will like. I have selected in the ALTERA codes. Make a new folder for you. ALTERA codes 2. Name the project to be like AND gate 2. Click next and check on the empty project. Click next, and in this page you will be asking about the device or the board. If you don't know the board that you are using, or if your board is not present in the naming list of the available boards, maybe, so then you will locate your board or your device from the device mode. Select the Cyclone version. The kit that I am using, this kit, this is the ALTERA kit provided by the Thoracic, and the version is DE2-551. The chipset, the Cyclone 4 that is mentioned on this board, is the Cyclone 4 version E. And when we search upon this board, also using the numbers that have been written on the chip, we go towards the FPGA package. The package size is the FPGA. The pin counts are 780 for this evaluation kit, this board, so this Cyclone. The core speed is 7 for my Cyclone 4. And you'll be seeing some available options among this. So when you look onto the Cyclone of chip on your kit, you will be seeing somewhat like these numbers, and by filtering out, you'll find out this EP4C551 F29C7 is the selected according to the board. Click next and select the simulation window. The simulation software that we'll be using. We will be using the Questa Intel FPGA. Design entry, we'll be using Samplifier. Click next and finish. You have created your project successfully. The next part, creating an AND gate code file in Verilog. First of all, go to File, go to New, and click on the Verilog HDL file. The file has been created, termed as the Verilog 1.v. We will starting the code with module AND gate 2 parenthesis started, A, B, C, semicolon, input A and B, output C. Assigning C equals A and B, column and module. Control S to save, and gate underscore 2 should be saving under your project. Click save. Compiling the code. Click onto the project navigator sites. Press Ctrl L to compile the code. The code is compiling. When the code will be compiled, you'll see a check mark on your left side. All checks, full compilation was successful. Simulating the AND gate logic in Questa. Go to File, go to New, navigate to University Program VWF, click OK. You will be navigated to the simulation waveform editor. Here, click on Edit, click Insert Node or Bus. Click on the node finder, then click on List. You will be listed all your variables. Selecting all and pressing this button, all your variables will be termed as selected nodes. Click OK. Then again OK. You can see your variables are present on your left. Now we will be assigning logics to the variables. Press the variable and go to the random values. Let's check at fixed intervals. The values will be randomized. Set the interval to 10 nanoseconds. Click OK. Check on the other variable B, the other input variable. Check on the radio button at fixed intervals. Set it to 30 nanoseconds. Click OK. Now, your input variables are completely initialized. Go to the simulation settings. Ensure that your STL language is Verilog, as you have entered the code in the Verilog. Save your settings. Click on simulation. Click on the run functional simulation test. You'll be prompted as save changes. Click yes, and then again yes. Here, you will be seeing navigated towards an error statement. To resolve this error, you have to change a little bit of code in your simulation. Click cross. Go to the simulation settings. On line number 5, change the no VOPT to VOPT ARGS arguments equals ACC. Click save. Now run simulation settings. Your simulation worked perfectly fine. Under this interval, your A is 1, your B is logic 1. The resultant is also 1. Under the second interval, your A has a logic 1, but B has a logic 0. Resultant is 0. Now you can see the waveform has been implemented as AND logic. Setting up the DE2-115 with Quartus Prime Lite. After the logic has been set it up, now it's time to program your board and implement your logic on the ALTERA kit. We have two switches, SW0 and SW1. We'll be using these two slider switches and the LED named as LED0, that is above the slider switch 0. So first of all, power up your kit and then connect the USB cable on the USB blaster port and connect it to your laptop. After your connection, go to the device manager. On first time connection, you will be seeing some driver issues. Go to the drivers, select the update drivers and navigate to your installation directory of Ultralight. Go to the version, navigate towards the Quartus and select the drivers and select the USB blaster side. Click OK to install the drivers. Currently I have installed my drivers. You can see that the USB blaster is there. Now there's a time to assign the pins. Click on pin planner. This window will be opened up. Now click on your variable. For example, we have A. It's allocated to pin AB2, pin AB1 and pin W2, all three variables. But you have to set it up to the location. That's where you will be locating it. Select it to the pin AB28. For B, click on pin AC28. For output, click on the location, type pin underscore G19. Hit enter. You'll be seeing some red or brown dots on the pin assignment. These are the user assigned pins. Now, pin assignment is done. Configuring DE to 115 with our AND gate logic. After your pin assignment, make sure you press the Ctrl L key to compile the design. Wait for design to compile. After your design is compiled, go to Tools, Programmer. Your output file will be automatically selected as the output file / AND gate _2. The output file is of the extension .sof. If it is not there, click on the Add File option and navigate to the file. Click on the Hardware Setup and check if there is the USB blaster USB 0 mentioned. Basically, this will be appearing if your kit is connected to your laptop through a USB cable on the USB blaster port. Click Close and just click on the Start button. You will see the progress of uploading the code on your kit. Once it is 100% completed, navigate to your board. Look at this. These two buttons will be used to check the AND gate. These are two inputs, A and B. Pressing the A button, LED isn't lit up. Pressing the B button, you can see the LED is blown. Turning any of the two inputs to off, it will make the LED goes down. Again, you can see both off, LED off. Both inputs are having logic 1. You'll see the LED glows. any of the logic goes down, the LED goes off. So this was the complete tutorial of part 1, in which you have gained the knowledge to how to make your Verilog code, basic Verilog code of AND gate, how to simulate that code in your Questa, and how to program your ALTERA DE2-115 kit. Thank you.